Hello dear students, our chapter is practical geometry. In that our first point is the construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. We have to construct a parallel lines. You know that parallel lines, the two lines which cannot meet each other, it is called a parallel line. So we have to construct that parallel lines using the one line. Okay, so and through a point not on the line, so we have to take point outside the line. So first of all, our first step is what we have to draw one line. So draw one line like this. Use your scale. I'm not using scale right now, so use scale. Draw one line. Okay, and take outside point. Suppose I have taken outside one point is, suppose P. I have taken point P. Okay, that point is P, outside I have taken. In second step, we have to take any point on this line. Suppose I have taken point M on the line. Okay, point M on the line. In third step, what we have to do, we have to join this. We have to join these two points each other. So I have joined this point. Use your scale. Your scale is most important for this. I haven't used scale right now. So use scale. Okay, so it will, this line will be straight. So use this scale and draw one line and join these 2 points. Now MP we have joined. In next step, what we have to do, we have to take a convenient radius. Take small radius or convenient radius in your compass. M is a center, and draw an arc. Draw this arc. So this arc will cut this arc. Draw the arc. So this arc will cut this line. Okay, so give the name of this point. Suppose point A, and this point is suppose point B. Okay, now same process, take center P and draw an arc to this side. Okay, draw an arc to this side. Okay, draw an arc to this side. Give the name of that meeting point is suppose K. Okay, so like this process we have to do. And in the last step, what we have to do, we have to take distance of AB. This distance we have to take when we drawn this arc. This distance we have to take, and keep your compass one end to the point K and draw an arc or cut this arc. Okay, this is our process finished. So see, in last step we have to join this arc. This is your meeting point. We have to join this meeting point. You can join this meeting point. So this point will be in this line. You can see that. Okay, so you can see this line is a parallel to this line. So we can give the line, suppose line M, and this line is a L. So line M is a parallel to line L. So okay, so you can see that line M is a parallel to line L. So it is very easy to draw a parallel line using the construction. Construction is very simple construction. Using that construction we can draw the parallel line. Like this way you have to find.